Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey guys, generation 2009-2019, and we'll show you guys how to remove the third row seat. If you have third row, we'll show you how to remove it. You have to do it for quite a few repairs actually, even if you want to put rear struts. We have more than 200 videos on this car guys, so please subscribe to the channel for more videos. This is the third row seat that we're talking about. We'll show you in today's video how to remove it. Please subscribe to the channel guys, subscribe for more videos. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money, so let's go ahead and start on it now. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So what we need to do now, okay, we need to lay the seat down. While we do that now, we need to get a plastic tool like that, clip removal tool. Okay, and with this tool now, we'll need to remove 4 clips guys, on every seat now. Okay, every seat has 4 clips. So what do we do? Okay, right here we go underneath. You need to get under the clip. You have to be careful not to break that clip, so get it good and just pull them up. Those are replaceable, and we'll show you where we get our clips from. You can check out again in the description of the video below. So this one comes up like that. Now we need to come on this side, do the same thing here for this seat half. Okay, perfect. Just leave them like that. Open your storage box here, and now we have 4 nuts that we need to remove. You have plastic caps on each one of them. Remove the plastic caps, and underneath you have 4 nuts. Those are with a 10mm socket. Perfect. 2 more on this side. Okay, great. Now we can go ahead, okay, and pull that storage box up. Okay, pull it up from all 4 bolts at the same time. You'll be a little bit stuck here, and you can see the storage box, okay, will come out like that. That's what it looks like without it now. Now we need to lift those seats up, okay, all the way like that. After that, we need to go inside. We need to get a big screwdriver like this one here. There are 2 clips that we need to release. Okay, ours are already done. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to push it all the way in. You just get it with the screwdriver. Okay, and it comes out. 1 clip here on this side, 1 on the other side. Now lift the seat back and up at the same time. Okay, and it's going to come out. So you go back, okay, all the way back, and then up. And I'm going to show you where it needs to come out of. Let me show you on this side. Okay, if I open that thing, okay, that's where the hook is for the seat, right here. Okay, so right now it's going to come out. Alright guys, and the bottom seat came out like that. So now we need to get 18mm socket, okay, and we'll need to remove a few nuts and bolts. That's what we'll be doing now. You can see 1 here, 1 nut, 1 bolt, 1 bolt, 1 nut. Deeper socket will work better. So we'll get the big tools now in action. Okay, we'll do all 4 now. Okay, this one, we need to drop the socket a little bit because we need to find deeper socket, but we do not have one at a time. And all we have to do, get them loose now. Now we need to lift the seats up, okay, and we need to go towards the front side because we have a few more bolts here now. Okay, you can check it out now. So we have 4 more on the front side. I thought we were almost done, but no, we're not. Those are bolts, there is no nuts on this side. Okay, perfect. We got them loose, so now we can use the little impact. Those are usually pretty tight. Okay, the seat is getting really loose now. Later when you install, you need to remember that the belt goes on top of the seat, so do not confuse those, and we should be able to go ahead and pull the seat out now. If you guys want gummy worms, right there, give us the address, we'll send them for free. Just kidding. Okay, so now we just need to grab one seat at a time. Okay, we need to lift up and go out like that. You can see this is the first seat. You need to lift it up because remember there is one bolt on that side that keeps the seat up. Okay, just like that. Perfect. So you can see, guys, that's how you remove the third row seat on a Dodge Journey. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Again, do not forget that we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please, guys, subscribe to the channel. All we need is a like and a subscribe in return for everything we do. So thank you for watching, see you guys next time.